wearing hair from Laki hair, and I'll have all the information on them listed down below. And I'm wearing Brazilian body wave. My frontal is an 18-inch and the bundles are a 20, 22, and 24-inch. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't worn like short hair like this in a extremely long time. So I'm gonna begin by just reparting my hair. I've already installed the hair and put it down with lace glue. I'm gonna go ahead and answer this question in the beginning of this video for those who don't make it towards the end. A lot of people are constantly asking me when I put my hair down with lace glue. You guys constantly ask how long does it last, and I have oily skin, but I do not sweat a lot. I don't be in the sun. The glue that I use is the Ultra Hold glue, and that's the one I use right on this install. And the Ultra Hold glue is not, it's waterproof, but it's not really sweat proof. So depending on how much you sweat, basically will depend on how long your install lasts, and also maintenance. You know, tying it down every night, not getting it wet in the shower also is a big role, plays a big role in how long you make your install last. So I've just gotten my hot comb and I'm pressing out my hair. I laid it down with the Lakihair wax stick. All the products that I list down in the description box will be, all the products that I use will be listed down in the description box. A lot of you guys tend to ask me what kind of hot comb this is, and I don't know the brand. It's like rough. It says Maxi, but you can get this hot comb for like $13 at your local like Sally's and stuff like that. They're very affordable, and most of the things that I'm using you can get at a beauty supply store. And did I say Sally's? I didn't mean to say Sally's. I meant to say like Beauty Exchange, because Sally's, they're gonna wax you for them little white people. Not white people. Well, I don't want to talk about white people. Alright, let me just forget what I was gonna say. Alright, so I guess I've done this hairstyle like a while ago when I was younger, but I never really mastered it. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try now. I'm gonna be taking the back and just putting it into bigger curls, because this is the back. I don't really care about it too much, and I'm not gonna really OD myself on the back. It's all about the curls in the front and how they fall. I'm gonna be using this curling rod. I'm not really gonna just go into detail too much by talking, because I don't really know how to work this shit. I really don't use this, like this is my first time ever using it, and I don't do these curls that often. But being a hairstylist, like I want to be able to master a lot of different types of hairstyles. So you could always take classes, or you can be like me and try and learn it yourself. So, ow, it's hot. Right now, I think I probably took too much hair out. Let me stop. Right now, I have it all the way on the heat 450. And I'm just going to be taking this big old piece, and I'm going to pull it, and I'm going to curl it with my curling iron. So I like to take my nail and pick it up, and I don't really have no, well, I do have pins, but I'm not about to get it. I'm just gonna hold the curl in my hand and let it kind of cool down and just drop it. So this is what this curl is. This one curl is one curl. This curling iron is no joke. Anyways, y'all, I'm feeling this hairstyle. Like, it's not even done, but I feel like I'm giving out like real life loyalties, you know what I'm saying, like some being Mary Jane teas. So now this is like basically the main event, and I'm gonna be taking this curling iron, I'm gonna take my comb and basically running my hands through the hair, or running my comb through it. By the way, this hair is real soft. Like, I haven't put nothing in it, like no bios or nothing, and it has like its own natural shine. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this little section. This is the side that, you know, you want to make sure everything goes right, because it's the front piece. I am going to be also cutting the hair, but I'm not going to cut this side. I'm going to cut this piece over here and a little bit of this side. So I got the curl out. Oh shit, I have some of it, but that's fine. I'm just gonna take my hand, pull it back up, and just do a little loose curl with that. And now I'm gonna take this part, and I'm gonna get, this is another thing that you guys will definitely need. I picked up mine from, where did I get this shit from? Oh, well, I didn't get it. I took it from Courtney. If you're watching this, Courtney, I'm sorry, but it's a razor comb. You can find this at like, oh, this shit. I hope I didn't fuck it up, because a lot of hair just came out. Oh, a short piece of hair right here came out. Like I said, this is my first time, trial and error. But you want to razor your hair so the curl can hold more, because with long curls, you really have to cut the hair so it holds. Because if you don't cut the hair, it's something about like gravity in the long hair, it'll fucking fall. It won't like hold. I'm just gonna drop that with my curling iron. Alright, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I really do not know what I'm doing, but your girl is trying. I'm gonna be more gentle this time when it comes to razoring the hair. And yeah, I'm not gonna just shh like I did the first time. Now I'm going to keep going, rolling it up, 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 and not bad. Kind of for what I was trying to go for, like a, it could be a little tighter, but this is basically what I was going for. I think overall this might be a little too big. No, no, this is actually pretty nice. Like just some loose drop curls. I'm actually gonna just fast forward a bit until I get back to this side, because this side is like basically the main side and the main event. Alright, so now that I've finished throwing in my little curls, see, that's why I need to cut this more shorter so it can I'm gonna cut this part more shorter so it can hold more curls. I honestly don't fully remember how this is done, but I used to wear this hairstyle a lot when I was in high school and stuff. I should have watched the stylist, since who knew I would end up being a stylist. See? It's hot, but it's a curl. Once I like practice this style more, I'll definitely get it. So I'm gonna probably do my hair in layers. I'm basically gonna take this part and I'm just gonna layer it like that. So now I'm gonna begin to curl my hair. I took the curling iron, and I want my curls going in this direction, but first beam. So I'm gonna take it like this, get it to the tip, and then I'm just gonna roll it up. I wish I would have had like some cans, put some cans in my hair, little Ashanti teas. Alright, this curl came out pretty nice. But I'm going to take my razor comb and razor out this piece. Oh shit. This is furrowed pretty nicely. It's all about trial and error. Making mistakes and correcting them. Good vibes only. It's because of the layers. Layers are like important. Oh, you saw that little wrist. Oh my god, you saw that little wrist action. I'm honestly just hoping like I don't drop this iron on my head, like I don't burn myself with it, because like I live to burn myself. I'm just gonna draw this thing right here. I'm gonna make sure that this side is very how's this side doing? This shit dropped ridiculously. I watched tutorials. This should look easier in tutorials. Let's try that again. All right, now I can just keep going. But I mean, damn, I cut this side, so what in the I ain't mad. Shantae. Yo. I literally see a piece that I really like cut too short. I know y'all see it. Right there. I'm definitely gonna try this out again. Like, I'm not gonna let this time like have me discouraged, because it really don't look bad in my mind of what I actually wanted. No, I'm not holding it right. I ain't gonna lie, I think this curl is about to be lit. I'm actually gonna let it curl. See how I just redid this side and it's giving me sweet love. I'm like giving me dream girls, you know what I'm saying? No way. No way. I'm not living without you. I'm not living without you. And you're gonna love me. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I think this side is good, but this piece, this whole thing over here is too long. Like, recurl this piece right here on its own. But yo, I like it. I know it's gonna drop because I'm not gonna put nothing. Oh. Ah. Oh, hold on. Maturities. I need to grow up. Yo, anyways though, it's alright for now. Like this straight. Like I just know, like me walking around like this, like people are gonna look at me, and people look at me, and I gotta go to the post office and ship out these orders. Nobody looking at me. Don't look at me. Why are you looking at me? One more last time. Like I'm like this part is like so important to me. So I'm gonna do one last curl for the girls. When your man leave the house, I know he coming right back. I put that good. Alright, I need to go to the post office for real. Something makes me feel like they're gonna close early today since it's Friday. It's Friday night. Alright. Let me just lay this down so it's not up too high. Alright, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna curl it some more. Like, fuck with it some more and see what I could get out of it. Because I'm about to do a Q&A, so I need to be sure I'm on point for that Q&A. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. Olivia Pope, who... Oh, that's just me. Oh, my God.
Now you glamorous, I'm out your element. I'm too reckless for you, girl, it's evident.